Strategy allows organizations to develop a clearer understanding of their own organization and what's required for them to succeed. It helps organizations understand their core capabilities, identify and address weaknesses, and mitigate risks. It can help organizations better design themselves so that they're focusing on the right things that are most likely to deliver the best performance, productivity, and profit both now and in the future. While strategy can be difficult for many organizations to commence, its benefits are far-reaching and many. From creating new business opportunities to streamlining the operations and engaging staff, a well-formulated strategy will enable increased growth, productivity, and profit, both now and into the future. Depending on where you are now in your business, a pay of $1 million may appear to be intimidating or very distant. The trick is to work backwards. That means if you want your business to earn $1 million a year, the business sales target per month is $83,333 a month, or $20,833 a week, or per day, $4,166. Now that there's some clarity, the next question is, where is the business now and what does the business need to reach that target? The reason having a strategy is so important is because it gives businesses time to get a sense of how they're performing, what their capabilities are, and if these capabilities are able to help them grow. A strategy can identify trends and opportunities in the future. It can examine the broader changes in the market, such as political, social, or technological changes, as well as consumer changes, and develop tactics so your business can modify and develop to suit these future changes. By creating a business strategy, a company can create a competitive advantage and ultimately understand more about themselves and where they're going. In summary, when you're bootstrapping, work your current resources to their maximum potential and be creative about it. Explore different perspectives and seek for alternatives. Operate the business on its bare necessities to keep the margins high and be obsessed with creating value.